hosting a server is loaded 100% in this time. Check this, our CPU load. Here is loading time is ups and highly ups. It is the 100% load. After solved, it never goes more than 10%. Always 2, 3, 4%. It's okay. But when it's loaded here, in this day, I have checked one website is loaded huge time. So this website is this. So in this website, check this time, this date, 31 March, 23k bot traffic comes. This step bot traffic comes here. So after bot traffic comes, our server is heavy loaded. This is the same time. So we have solved this. Just simple way. Just we have used our cloud for the server. This is our website, and just click the button under the attack mode. When we click this attack mode, automatically bot traffic is decreases. You click here, the bot traffic is none. There is only 4-5 real traffic. Actually, real traffic of the website is 4-5 under 10 or under 10 or under 100. But in this time, the 1000 of traffic comes here. In this time, the 1000 traffic comes for the bot traffic. All bot traffic are loaded outside, and our CPU loaded is 100% CPU load. Because of this, bot traffic comes and show also show the Google Analytics this bot traffic here. So we have solved this easily. Just traffic under attack mode, and the just actual traffic comes here our website. This is the easy solution for you. You can solve by using this mode. Which website comes the huge traffic, the huge bot comes, or any types of bot attacked. So we will use this method to protect our server, all server. So I hope it will work fine. So you can use this method also. Best of luck.